In this video, we will show you how to replace your four-wheel drive vacuum line check valve on this Ford F-150. This will be located in the passenger side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We're going to locate where our check valve tubing is. It makes its way from back here all the way underneath this area, and this is where we can see our vacuum line tubing connection point. Now what we actually need to do here is separate our check valve tubing from the rest of our vacuum line tubing, which is going to lead down behind each one of the wheels. For this, I'm just using an angled pick. I'm going to try to get in between this lower boot. Once we have this broken free, we should be able to slide this down and out of position. There we are, just a quick inspection of both ends and we'll continue on. Now as we make our way behind the battery so we can start gaining access, we're going to start along this area. We'll dislodge our washer fluid tube. Just go ahead and grab hold of that and slide it out of position. Now we have an electrical connector for this. You just want to carefully lift up on the locking tab. If you needed to, you could use an angled pick. Quick inspection for corrosion, and now we've got plenty of room in this area. Now under this area, we can see where two of our hoses connect into this unit. I'm using a flat blade screwdriver to gently pry them out of place. There's one. Now after disconnecting that, there's one more area that we'll pay attention to, so I'm going to lift this up. We can have a quick look. We can see that we have a small T-tube here. Now for this, we're trying to remove the entire plastic piece from our rubber grommet up along the top here. That should stay with the rest of the tubing. Just trying to push that off of there. Now we can take hold of this and we'll start pulling it out of place. There it is, friend. Prior to installation, there's a couple places that we'll pay attention to. We want to make sure that every mounting point is still in good usable order. You can see these two areas are perfect. This one looks fine as well. Nothing's cracked or damaged. We'll make our way back towards the center of the engine compartment. We have the rubber grommet. That looks good as well. Okay friend, let's prepare to install our brand new four-wheel drive vacuum line check valve. Just bring this through here. Try to run it along the back side. Let's make our way behind the battery here. We'll start with this little T-junction. Line it up, press it together. It can be a little bit difficult trying to get your fingers back here and aligning everything. There we are, that looks like it's lined up. Let's press it all the way together. Just double check to make sure that's secure as we continue on. Now we'll bring this up to our valve. This can only go on one way. Line it up, press it on as far as possible. A quick wiggle here. That's secure as well. This is all looking good. Out in this area, we'll be reconnecting our two vacuum tubes together. You know what to do. Line them up, squeeze them together. Just double check, make sure that's properly secured in place. Let's reconnect our valve next. Just go ahead and line up that electrical connector. We'll press it on. Listen for an audible click. Double check to make sure it's secured in place. Now we're going to secure our washer fluid hose in this area as well. Just pull that out of the way. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you want to do, of course, is to test the functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.